So, right after you signing into your TurboTax account, you will see this window, and you want to click on Help button. At the top right of your screen, it will open up the chat box, and then you want to type in I want to extend my tax return, and click on Send. After that, it will show you this chat with the disclaimer and little bit explanation. And you want to click on Go to Extension button, which will then take you to this page. And you can just tap on Start Easy Extension button to apply for your extension. Keep in mind that usually the last time you can file on an extension are on April 15th on the next year. So for example, if you want to file your 2025 tax, then the last date you can file for an extension of 2025 tax return is on April 15th, 2026. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.